Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. Guess what? Guess what? I have a new brand for you guys. It's called Iron Panda. First of all, if you guys know me at all and have been on my channel for a while, you know I love pandas and I love Kung Fu Panda. And I love bears. So just the name alone was like, oh, a strong bear? Yeah, okay, I'm sold. But I did want to show you some awesome products here, these shirts. I am going to do a try on haul and I'm going to do a bonus arm workout. I haven't done a fitness or workout video in a long time, so I said, you know what? It's a little bit before Christmas. Why don't I just, you know, start early? So what I love about this brand is they pride themselves on being unique, different, and alternative style to athletic leisure or athletic wear or whatever you want to call it. And I love the creativity and the individualism in each piece. I also think it is very motivating. Sometimes when you just have plain workout wear, which I also do love, it doesn't motivate you, but when you wear it and it says something, it makes a statement, it's like, okay. Just like when you listen to music, it can either make you feel happy or you feel sad. I feel like clothing is also an art form or an expression, and what you wear can translate to how you feel. So with that being said, I am super excited to share these shirts with you because we talked about, oh, and by the way, these are all a 4X because I wanted to like have it as a dress almost, so I could wear it under leggings. And when I work out, I don't like, you know, my butt showing, my boobs, like, so I did it baggy on purpose. And also I thought it'd be pretty cool to maybe wear these as a dress once I lose a little bit more weight. Right now they're still not like, I don't think they're big, but they're not oversized enough for it to look like a dress with me to put like boots or sneakers or anything under it. So the first one here, can you guys see it? Remember how I told you I love bear? So here's the bear lifting weights. I feel like if this was a panda, it would definitely be the Iron Panda logo. But isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh my god, I love it. And it could also be fashionable because Ralph Lauren has all those sweaters with a panda, with a bear on it, for like $200, and then you get something very similar as a workout and it's still kind of giving like athletic wear but also kind of designer in my opinion. So yeah, I love this. I could picture this with like a red bow and leggings, you know, for Christmas with red socks. I don't know, I love this one a lot. So, and the fabric is really good. The fabric is very good. The print is really well on there. Like, you're gonna get a lot of washes out of this, because you know how sometimes you'll buy printed shirts and then you wash them and then they just kind of like crack and stuff. I feel like this doesn't give you that. Okay, the next one I had to do it. Nada's over here, by the way. Hi mommy, do you want to say hi to the camera? Do you want to say hello? Do you want to dale saludo? Dale saludo mami, saludo. Saludo, mami. Good girl. I love you. I love you, my baby. We're going to show off the shirts. I love this one. Thick thighs and thin patience. Because it's like, you know, sometimes I don't do something the right way and I lose patience because I want to have perfect form, especially lunges. Don't get me started on lunges. So I thought this was pretty cool, and this can be used as loungewear too. It doesn't have to be for the gym. So, you know, I'm working on my patience, but these thick thighs, they're not going anywhere. And it has like this olive green color. I just think it's really nice. So okay, the next one, I'm in my gym girl era. If this isn't gonna, this gives me 70s vibes, and I love the brown and like the different natural colors. It's definitely a fall shirt too. But I like it because like it makes me feel like, yeah, I'm that girl and I'm in my era, you know. It's very inspiring for me. I love it a lot. Do you like it, babes? Do you like it? Okay, and then the last one is, I saved the best for last. This is my favorite one. Not only will I be wearing it as loungewear and wearing it to the gym, but I will also be wearing it with, I'm gonna try to like tie it back, make it tighter, and put it with a skirt or put it with jeans, because this is just the best shirt ever. It says, "She is strong," Proverbs 31, and I do consider myself to be a Proverbs woman. So yeah. I love that they do have shirts that represent, you know, phrases and things from the Bible. That means a lot to me, especially that I'm Christian, or I just say I'm a believer and I read the Bible. So this really spoke to me, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it so much. So let's get trying on, and then after we try these on, let's do like just maybe like a 5-minute arm workout routine. See how that goes. You guys, I'm crusty, I'm stale, but I'll do it for you. And then we can start doing it for our new year. We put on our shirts, we go to the gym, and we get this body right for 2025. And get it right now, you know, because I'm going to work out now. As I convince myself, you know, it is a balance, but definitely wear something that motivates you and that makes you happy. And it doesn't have to be the gym. I'm just giving you an example of how I would use these. Also, if you do get them, which I hope you do, comment down below which one you got. Maybe send me a picture, share with me on Instagram which shirts you got. And I will be putting a discount code, so you'll be able to get some discounts off these shirts. I will put it in the description and in the title of this video. So make sure that you get these while my discount code is up. And I believe my discount code is BP25. So yes, my discount code is BP25. So make sure you put that in when you purchase a shirt. I want to cry. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make me clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. And still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Are you ready? The clock is ticking. We have a 1 minute. These are bicep curls. I am right here with you. Everything is gonna be great. I'm telling you right now, I'm only 2 seconds into this and my arms are killing me. But I got it, you got it, we got it. All right, we have 30 seconds to go. Yay. I'm doing this cute little voiceover because I just want to make sure you guys, if you need to zone out and just do the movement and not look at the screen, that I am here through voice to just help you guys out. Or you can comment down below and be like, Betty, next time shut up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay, we did our first one. How exciting is that? All right, this next one is a press, Arnold press, shoulder press. I'm not a trainer, I just know it's press. And this will also be 1 minute, but if you need a break, please take one. Every level it can do this, and it could be easy or it could be hard, but you got this. Either way, I got this, because trust me, it's not easy for me. All right, we're at the 30-second mark. Yay, we did it. All right, you guys, 10 more seconds. If you need to rub off those shoulders or shake those arms, you got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! All right, you guys, so this next exercise is going to be a hammer curl, and this one I think also works the biceps, but I also think it works the triceps. Not 100% sure, but you want to be bent over for this one. If you need to put your hand on something to hold and just do one arm at a time, you can do it as well. Anything that makes it easier. Movement is the only thing required here, okay? 30 more seconds. Well, movement in good form, I guess I should say. But again, I'm not a trainer, you guys, so. Ten more seconds. You got this. You guys, and I tell you my arm is on fire, this is not easy. All right, these I believe are called chest flies. When you pull back, you definitely want to squeeze the back there. I think this is really good for your lats, if I am correct. It's been a while, you guys. I used to train, so I feel like I'm going back into time, you know? All right, 30 seconds left, you guys. We got this. I'm kind of looking at Nala a little bit like, girl, tell me I can stop. Tell me it's time. Ten more seconds. All right, in our last one, you need just one dumbbell. This is called Around the World. It's pretty fun. I feel the workout in my shoulders, my arms, and my back actually. So, but this one's kind of like a cool down, so that's why I wanted to save it as our last exercise. But congratulations, you guys. We just did 5 arm exercises for a minute each with little to no break. So we are on the best path ever. 30 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay, we did it, you guys. I know that was tough. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, you guys, I love you so much. And be strong. Besos.